I tried PDO threads for hair growth, and this is what happened. By the way, I paid for this service, so this is completely unsponsored. So, why did I try it? I think the constant travel that I've been doing for the last 5 to 6 years has made my hair a little bit thin because of different environments, different water, all of that. So, first, they clean your hair with some solutions, and they also, I think, put betadine. I can't remember, but they kind of make sure that everything is kind of sterile. And then they give you anesthesia shots over here, maybe 4 5 here, and 4 5 in the back, and like 1 2 here, so that your head goes numb. Mostly the treatment is here, not really at the back, like just the crown where women generally tend to experience thinning. So this is how it goes. So they put a lot of little needles in your hair and then they pull it out. That's basically the thread. They twist it and they pull it out. These are dissolvable threads. I think I did either 35 to 50 or something like that. I think on a level of 1 to 10, I felt about 3 or 4 pain, and for the next few days it was also about 1 to 2. It was not really painful, it was just uncomfortable. That's it. But after 1 2 months, there were these pokey things coming out in only a few spots. Maybe I had 3 4 spots where the pokey things are coming out. And I think those were the threads that did not completely enter the scalp. And they were just poking out. And every time I massaged my scalp, oh my god, it used to pain. That happened for about a month. And then by month four or fifth, I think the thread underneath the scalp dissolved. So the poking part outside just fell out. Why people do this? Apparently, these are the same things that are used for sutures. Once you create these tiny injuries, it basically triggers your fibroblast and collagen, and it is said to help your growth of your hair. Now, did it help me? About 10% it did. Will I do it again? I think not, because of that poking part. It was painful for about a month. So I did not like that part. So I will not do it again. But having said that, every body is different. You might respond to it very, very nicely and you might get a very good result, or you might not get even 10% result. So I can't really say that it may or may not work out for you. Just like how PRP and GFC is, everybody responds to the same treatment differently. So it might work for you, it may not work for you. But the most important part is that you need to go to a good doctor, because a poorly done PDO threads can result into infections which you do not want. So if you have any questions about PDO threads, or you've done a treatment or want to do a treatment for hair growth, let me know in the comment section below. Bye.